धीरा, ये लो एक अनदर चांस। दैट मीन्स दूसरा मौका। मतलब 24 घंटे का एक पूरा दिन का टाइम, वक्त। सुधार लो अपने कल की गलतियों को और बना लो आज के इस दिन को बेटर कल से। गुड मॉर्निंग दिया।
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। हाँ, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। हाँ, शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। हाँ, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। तुम्हीं से है आगाज तुम्हीं अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। हाँ, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। हाँ, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। तुम्हीं से है हर सुबह तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। आज सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। हाँ, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। जीत जा बस जीत जा, जीत जा बस जीत जा, हर उस पल को बस जीत जा, जिसे चाहता है तू, जिसे मांगता है तू, जिसे जानता है तू। जीत जा बस जीत जा, जीत जा बस जीत जा, हर उस पल को बस जीत जा, जिसे चाहता है तू, जिसे मांगता है तू, जिसे जानता है तू। जीत जा बस जीत जा, इतना आसान नहीं माना, पर मुश्किल भी नहीं मानो तुम। हाँ, इतना आसान नहीं माना, पर मुश्किल भी नहीं मानो तुम। हाँ, पर मुश्किल भी नहीं मानो तुम। मानो तुम, जानो तुम, पहचानो तुम, अपनाओ तुम। मानो तुम, जानो तुम, पहचानो तुम, अपनाओ तुम। जीत जा बस जीत जा, जीत जा बस जीत जा, हर उस पल को बस जीत जा, जिसे चाहता है तू, जिसे मांगता है तू, जिसे जानता है तू। जीत जा बस जीत जा।
promise that means a declaration that you will definitely do something or something will happen. मतलब वादा, प्रतिज्ञा. For example, I promise to help you. She kept her promise. मतलब उसने अपना वादा निभाया. Now comes to the options. Pledge, that means a serious or formal promise. मतलब प्रतिज्ञा, दृढ़ वादा. For example, the soldiers took a pledge to protect the nation. मतलब soldiers ने देश की रक्षा करने के लिए शपथ ली. So it's correct. Because a pledge is simply a strong or formal promise. So that's why it's correct. Think like this. Promise equals to general word and pledge equals to formal promise. Every pledge is a promise, but not every promise is a formal pledge. Now deny. Deny, that means to say that something is not true or to refuse to accept something. मतलब इनकार करना, मना करना. For example, she denied knowing him. So it's wrong. Because promise means saying I will do it and deny means saying no, I didn't do it or I refuse. The meanings are completely different. So it's wrong. Now break. Break, that means to separate into piece or to fail to keep something. मतलब तोड़ना. For example, he broke the glass. He broke his promise. It's also wrong because you can break a promise but break doesn't mean promise. मतलब आप वादा तोड़ सकते हैं लेकिन तोड़ने का मतलब वादा पूरा करना नहीं होता. That's why it's wrong. Now forget. Forget, that means to fail to remember something. मतलब भूल जाना. For example, don't forget your homework. I forgot my keys. It's also wrong because sometimes people forget a promise but forget is not the same as promise. It's like promise equals to commitment and forget equals to failure of memory. That means different meanings. That's why it's also wrong. So answer is pledge. Victory. Victory, that means success in a battle, competition, election, game or any contest. मतलब विजय, जीत. For example, India celebrated its victory in the final. Hard work led to her victory in the exam. Now comes to the options. Defeat. Defeat, that means to lose a contest or beaten by an opponent. मतलब हार. So it's wrong. For example, the team suffered a defeat. टीम को हार का सामना करना पड़ा. So it's wrong because victory equals to winning and defeat equals to losing. That means they are exact opposites. That means antonyms. That's why it's wrong. Now loss. Loss, that means the state of losing something such as money, property or an opportunity. मतलब हानि, नुकसान. For example, the company suffered a financial loss. मतलब कंपनी को आर्थिक घाटा हुआ. The loss of his phone upset him. मतलब फोन खो जाने से वो परेशान हो गया. So it's also wrong because loss usually refers to losing something valuable, not winning in a competition. So it's not a synonym of victory. That's why it's wrong. Now triumph. Triumph, that means a great or glorious victory, especially after difficulty or struggle. मतलब शानदार विजय, महान जीत. That means great victory. So it's correct. For example, winning the World Cup was a triumph. Her recovery from illness was a personal triumph. That means a triumph is a type of victory, usually one that is more significant or hard earned. That's why it's correct. Now failure. Failure, that means the lack of success or the inability to achieve a goal. मतलब असफलता. For example, failure is a part of learning. So it's also wrong because failure means not succeeding while victory means succeeding. That means they are opposites. That's why it's wrong. Here, defeat, loss and failure. ये तो ही victory के antonyms है. That means opposites. So answer is triumph. It works both ways. Be very careful when using visual reminders. Some people use negative ads and with very serious consequences. Bumper stickers offer a prime example. While riding in my car a few years ago, I noticed a bumper sticker on the car in front of me. The bumper sticker read, I owe, so off to work I go. In the last few years, I have seen this same bumper sticker over and over. It's obviously quite popular. Just a silly little rhyme, right? A harmless joke. Wrong. There is nothing funny or harmless about this message. When you put something like that on your car, you are programming your mind to keep you in debt. Think about someone who puts this bumper sticker on her car. We will call her Alice. Every morning, Alice steps outside to greet the day and sees the statement, I owe. When it's time to leave work, she goes back to her car and sees, I owe. This idea will become embedded in her subconscious mind. She will form mental pictures associated with being in debt. And if you recall lesson 2, Alice will always attract what she thinks about most. In this case, she will attract lots and lots of debt. If you ask Alice why she never has enough money, she will say that she had bad luck. The truth is, Alice is careless about what goes into her mind. The harmless little bumper sticker of today becomes your reality tomorrow. Alice is a perfect example of someone throwing more mud on an already dirty attitude window. If attitude is everything, then Alice's predominant attitude is, I am a debtor. With an attitude like that, what do you think her future will bring? Prosperity or more debt? We both know the answer to that question. Lights, camera, action. Well, there you have it. Some suggestions for creating and benefiting from your own mental movies. Remember, if you don't take control and develop your own movies, you will continue to replay the old ones. If the old movies are serving you, that's great. But if they are holding you back in any way, get started today and use the incredible power of your mind to picture your way to greater success.
अब देखो राखे कल बेटा राख दिल अब हमरा उतना लूर ना हो।
दिरा, किसी को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो क्या नहीं कर रहे हो, और क्यों ही पड़े फर्क, और तुम्हें भी फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि लाइफ तुम्हारी है, क्योंकि रनिंग तुमको चाहिए, जॉब तुमको चाहिए, सक्सेस तुमको चाहिए, फ्रीडम तुमको चाहिए। सो चॉइस इज योर्स बिकॉज लाइफ इज योर्स। देखते हैं
Choice is yours, Dira. Because एक ही तो जिंदगी मिली है, दिरा। एक ही तो जिंदगी मिली है, दिरा। Choice is yours. क्योंकि you know it. यथा दृष्टि तथा सृष्टि। डर के आगे ही तो जीत है। डर के आगे ही तो जीत है। आँख में रह गए, देखो और सुधार करो। तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत पे यकीन कर। है अगर कहीं स्वर्ग जो उतार ला जमीन पर, तो जिंदा है